In this video, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as retain. Retain. Let's pronounce it with me. Retain. Retain. Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means continue to have something. Keep possession of something. It means you own something. This is the meaning of retain. Let's see its use in sentences. It's important to retain a positive attitude even during challenges times. The sponge can retain a significant amount of water despite its small size. She managed to retain her composure during the stressful interview. The old building was renovated but managed to retain its historical charm. Let's see more sentences. Regular practice helps students retain the knowledge they gain in class. The company decided to retain its best employees by offering competitive salaries. He struggled to retain the information from the lecture without taking notes. The lawyer advised them to retain all receipts as proof of payment. Thank you for watching.